Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, it's the turn of another chief minister to use the meeting with the prime minister to stoke fires, to stoke another brawl, to stoke another fight, to stoke another war. Within minutes after the prime minister's review meet with district bosses and chief ministers of 10 states, Mamata Banerjee, in a stunning attack, accused the prime minister of not allowing other chief ministers to speak at these meetings with district magistrates, alluding to the fact that the meeting was one-way traffic and dictatorial in nature. While she accused the prime minister of accusing her, a BJP mantri leading the counter-attack on Mamata Banerjee accused her of playing petty politics, even citing multiple occasions where she skipped the meeting with the prime minister and she always meant to ambush the meeting with her theatrics. Here's how both sides faced off.
It was just a casual super flock meeting. We, the chief ministers, are feeling insulted and humiliated.
और ममता बनर्जी जी जो बंगाल की मुख्यमंत्री हैं, आज उनका आचरण बहुत ही अशोभनीय रहा है। उन्होंने पूरी मीटिंग को एक प्रकार से डिरेल करने की कोशिश की।
Before I begin the debate, I want to highlight how on multiple occasions Mamata Banerjee has skipped important meetings with the Prime Minister. Right from 2014 when Modi became the Prime Minister for the first time, and through the years, meeting on key legislations, discussions on state-center cooperation, meetings on one nation, one election, and most importantly, interaction on COVID were skipped by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Tonight, that has forced the BJP to question her intention. So, ladies and gentlemen, the legitimate question on the news are tonight. Is Mamata Banerjee's charge tonight based on anguish or ambush? That's the question and the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining me tonight, Nupur Sharma, spokesperson of the BJP, Tehseen Poonawala, political analyst, Anand Ranganathan, author and scientist. But my first question goes to Mr. Riju Datta. Riju Datta, spokesperson of the Trinamool Congress. I want to ask you just one question. अरे भाई इतनी चिंता है तो आप सारी चीफ मिनिस्टर्स की जो मीटिंग थी उसमें भी आ जाते, तब तो आप इलेक्शन में बिजी थे. You did not, Mamata Banerjee did not attend any of those meetings that the Prime Minister had invited chief ministers for. She has never attended those meetings, saying that it is a waste of time. In fact, when the Prime Minister first sent out the invite for meetings with district magistrates, because these are all India service officers working at the cutting edge at the lowest level, he wanted a direct interaction. There were chief ministers who accused him, but you want to keep the chief ministers out of this conversation. So he said, "Nahi, there's nothing wrong I'm doing, nothing behind closed doors. So join the meeting." You join the meeting and then you do your theatrics. I want to ask you, Riju Datta, if you're also worried about people of India, why do we have to do this blame game, pointing of fingers? Why don't we just get together and find solutions? Because there are enough problems in this country, and as many chief ministers can get together and give ideas to the Prime Minister, I'm sure people of India will thank them for solving the problems. Why only have a blame game?
Navika ji, first of all, when you said, there were a lot of meetings called during the elections which Mamata Banerjee did not attend, the clear answer to that is we don't have 303 MP. आप election बुलाओगे तो हमको लड़ना पड़ेगा. हम तो फकीर नहीं है जो झोला उठा के चल देंगे. Now coming to this particular meeting, if this was a meeting to praise the district magistrates, if this was a meeting for micro-federalism, I think we are way past motivational speeches and pats on the back, ma'am. And if you want to know, the district magistrates Bengal is a state with more than 20 districts. The district magistrates report to the chief minister. You have called the chief minister there. The chief minister can give a complete idea of what is going on in the state. आप chief minister से पूछोगे नहीं. You will make them mute spectators. You will insult them and humiliate them. And you want to praise the boots on the ground. Fair enough. Now, if that needs to be done, why doesn't the prime minister send her team to the nearby hospitals and get the report from there? Why doesn't he start with, if it is about microfederalism, why doesn't he start directly from the Safai Walas? Or even for that matter, take a trip along the Ganges from Uttar Pradesh to Bihar. He will see. The bottom line is, this is not the time for microfederalism. This is the time to answer the hard questions, which is, where is the vaccines? There is vaccine shortage. Where are the oxygen? Where is remdesivir? And what is the ploy for the black fungus that has attacked this country? These questions need to be answered. ये बेकार की मीटिंग करके 2-3 DMs को लेके one district का microfederalism. Why this eyewash? You know, enough of putting makeup on your tarnished image. Please, Prime Minister, answer the hard questions that the people of this country are asking, and we are good with it. And if you are calling a chief minister, I am sure a chief minister trumps the district magistrate any day, and if they are present, ask them the questions. They can tell you about the state, and then you can have a conversation.
Are you saying that district magistrates only report to Mamata Banerjee, so the Prime Minister cannot speak to them? What is the use of an All India service? I want to ask you, Riju Datta, are you trying to say that, you know, everything is hunky-dory? If there is any problem, Mamata Banerjee will look after it. हम तो सिर्फ सवाल पूछेंगे, blame करेंगे, लेकिन प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो है वो मोटिवेट नहीं कर सकता और डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट से बात नहीं कर सकता, वो अलाउड नहीं है. कमाल है. नुपुर शर्मा, respond to Riju Datta.
Okay.
Well, good evening, Navita, to you and to everybody. This is what happens when, you take a leaf out of the book of Mr. Kejriwal. आपदा में अफसर कैसे ढूंढा जाए, महत्वाकांक्षा इतनी ऊंची हो गई कि समझ ही नहीं आ रहा how to control. For that matter, Riju used the word बेकार की meeting. It is interesting. Riju has just accepted on your show कि इनकी सरकार ही बेकार की है. And I'll tell you why. The meeting's entire moot point, the basic reason the meeting was happening between the Prime Minister and the DMs was so that the DMs can exchange ideas of the best practices employed by the local administration and governance level. So for that matter, other DMs could learn from the good experiences and the good practices employed by some people who are employing different ways of handling the pandemic. अब ये मान लिया आज रिजू ने कि ये North 24 Parganas का जो DM है, he was incapable, and perhaps the entire machinery, the government machinery and administration of TMC government in West Bengal is so incapable that she did not think him fit enough to be sharing his best practices employed to control the situation in North 24 Parganas. And must I tell you, only today, last 24 hours, the active cases are almost 25,000 in the district. शायद इसलिए शर्म के मारे दीदी ensured that since we have nothing good to share, no best practices to show, इसलिए तो चुप्पी कर दो and बिल्कुल deviate कर दो, just like Mr. Kejriwal does. Now, secondly and most importantly, as on date, West Bengal has around 12 lakh vaccine dosages. Around 40 hours earlier, at that time 36 hours earlier, Mamata Banerjee's government was one of the all state governments and UT governments which were communicated as to how to manage vaccination drive till 15 June, how to procure, how much is being sent by center, how much is available with the CDL to be procured directly by the state, in what quantity, and their own other exercises till the local level. So I don't understand what the point of Ms. Mamata Banerjee is. You asked the right question कि जब मुख्यमंत्री की बैठक होती है, when the chief minister is supposed to share ideas with the prime minister, she is too busy politicking, she is too busy campaigning, and I would actually like to give you a run-up as to what all meetings has she actually missed, and this is very interesting. When was Mamata Banerjee ever interested in handling the COVID situation? And I will give you a lowdown. In 2021, in March 17, she missed the meeting because she was too busy campaigning for the elections. 2020, she missed a common strategy meeting with the Prime Minister of all Chief Ministers as to how to control the COVID pandemic. 2009, that's all. 2019, she missed the meeting of One Nation, One Election. 2019, she missed the Niti Aayog meeting, governing body meeting no less. 2015, she missed the meeting of the land bill. 2014, she missed the meeting with the Prime Minister.
So Riju Datta, we get the point, Nupur Sharma. Riju Datta, what I want to ask you is, ठीक है, Mamata Banerjee is a very capable chief minister. That is why she's been voted for the third time. I buy that. People of Bengal are happy with her. They have chosen her. Fair point. I want to ask you, who is abusing the term federalism? Is it the Prime Minister who invites chief ministers for meeting, or is it Mamata Banerjee who does not want to participate? Does she think that West Bengal is a separate country? It should not be part of India. She should not be part of the meetings that are held. After all, every meeting, every group discussion, whether you are in an organization, whether you are in a newspaper office or a television office, or in a state or in a country, meetings do throw up ideas, interaction do throw up experiences, and the best practices can be adopted in various parts of the country. Why would you not cooperate on this? This is the forum. Why would you not do that? But when it comes to blame game, आपके पास समय ही समय है.
Again, ma'am, I will say this, that, I heard Nupur very carefully. I think Nupur is a very capable woman and she resides in Delhi. See, Kejriwal cooperated with Pradhan Mantri ji. What happened? उसी का क्षमता लेके LG को दे दिया. Nupur को बोलिए दिल्ली में किसी अस्पताल के वेटिंग रूम में जाके feedback ले ले. That is the best way to take feedback. If Modi ji wants to pat and give motivational speeches to the boots on the ground, he should talk to the doctors, serving 24 hours in these wards, attending COVID patients. But this pandemic is not the first time we are facing this, Navika ji. This is the second wave. In the first wave,
I think he doesn't know what he's talking about.
No, what we did?
No, I'm sorry, the Prime Minister spoke to the doctors. That you're not informed.
उत्सव मनाया, उसके बाद 24 जनवरी को डिक्लेयर कर दिया हमने कोविड को हरा दिया. 17 अप्रैल को नुपुर क्या कोविड नहीं था? प्रधानमंत्री जी बंगाल में बोलते हैं.
You should be a little more informed. 80 meetings around COVID are happening. Doctors have also spoken to the Prime Minister.
आपको किससे तकलीफ है? रीजू दत्ता जी, आपको किससे तकलीफ है? आपको लोगों के बत्ती बुझाने से तकलीफ है, थाली बजाने से तकलीफ है. प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा, लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया. आपको बुरा लगा क्या कि लोग प्रधानमंत्री जी की क्यों?
एक जवाब दे दूं.
आपको नहीं करना था पार्टिसिपेट, आप नहीं करते. आपको तो कोई जबरदस्ती बोला नहीं था. जिसको करना था उसने किया, जिसको नहीं करना था उसने नहीं किया. इट्स अ फ्री कंट्री. You needn't have participated. You didn't have participated. So Anand Ranganathan, I'm coming to you, Nupur. Anand Ranganathan. No, Anand Ranganathan, I want to ask you, I'm not understanding the point that he's making. There was issues, and I'm not saying it's over. Yes, remdesivir was an issue, oxygen was an issue, different medicines were issues, ICU beds were issues, vaccines are issues. All those issues have been picked up by us, by people, by governments, various states, but nobody has come out and abused in this manner कि भाई आप बुलाते हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट की मीटिंग. अरे वो बुलाई तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट्स के लिए थी. आप आना चाहती थी, उन्होंने कहा ओपन है, आ जाइए. इन द फोरम ऑफ चीफ मिनिस्टर्स यू डोंट वांट टू कम. इन द फोरम ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट्स यू आर कंप्लेनिंग दैट यू वर नॉट अलाउड टू स्पीक. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग the logic of this. And if anybody wants to participate and give ideas, they can. There are so many other ways of doing it. Why only a blame game?
Yeah, good evening, Navika. Look, Bengal is right in the middle of its second wave, and the state government should be focusing on making sure the situation is handled well. Such intemperate language is not going to help. You have to work together. It is for the meeting with the DMs. The CMs were invited to have a look on. Now, if the DMs were not allowed to speak, that's a different matter. And I think they were, because it was an interaction, and by definition, it has to be two-way. Now, coming back to the more pressing matter, Navika, let's look at the issues one by one. Number one, I am, and you are too, Navika, on record, blasting the PM and the centre for holding all those mass rallies in Bengal a month or more, ignoring all COVID guidelines, ignoring election commission rules. But was it only centre? Did TMC and DB also not ignore all those guidelines? A large part of the second wave is doubtless because of that. If centre is rightly culpable, why is the TMC not? Number two, Let's see the numbers now. The second wave duly began around the end of March, and now it has reached its crest. Perhaps the cases may have plateaued to 20,000 a day, but the number of deaths is still not plateaued or hit its peak. It was 143 yesterday. In this scenario, I want the TMC spokesperson to categorically say that all those TMC workers who assembled in hordes outside the CBI office the other day, violating all COVID guidelines as well as curfew, should be arrested. Will he say that? Would you speak as a spokesperson? Number 3. Rijuda, please, I'm coming to you. Just give me 10 seconds. Number 3. Can you deny an acute shortage of medicines as well as oxygen in Bengal beginning May? And I'm quoting your favorite Telegraph, not Times Now, in case you think this is a lie. Number 4. Finally, Navika. Let's come to the vaccination drive. Yesterday, Bengal vaccinated only 46,000 first dose. 3 days ago, it was only 3,250 first dose. 3,250, that's it. The highest it went so far was almost a month ago, 1.2 lakhs first dose. Its capacity is around 3 lakh doses per day. So why did it vaccinate only 4,500 people 3 days ago? How many doses have you received thus far from the center? 1.35 crores. How many doses have you administered? 1.25 crores. A gap of 10 lakhs as it stands. And you are vaccinating on average 30,000 a day. Where is the shortfall? Other states are doing door-to-door vaccinations, drive-in vaccinations. What is Bengal doing? Rijuda, kabhi apne garibaay mein jhank ke bhi dekho. All the problems are not manufactured by PM or the center.
Can I come in now, Navika ji?
Can I reply?
Exactly. Exactly, Riju Datta. Respond. You very logical, very factual questions raised by Dr. Ranganathan. I'll come to you, Tehseen Poonawala.
First question, the people
I'll come to you.
First of all, Dr. Ranganathan, the people who went to the CBI and violated the lockdown norms, 4 of them has been arrested today itself. That is for your question.
Just 4?
Including the law minister. Including the law minister and the chief minister. No, have you arrested the law and chief minister also? वो भी तो वैसे काम क्या था कोर्ट में? No, I just have a question. Have you arrested the law minister and chief minister?
Curfew.
One second, Navika. Allow me to come in.
How is
Navika, I need to respond.
equal to sedition and pointing finger at Narendra Modi?
Is equal to sedition.
Why?
Section कौन सा है sedition?
Why is it?
No, just tell me what section is sedition.
प्रॉब्लम क्या इस देश का प्रधानमंत्री
अरे सेडिशन कहाँ से आ गया? सेडिशन कहाँ से आ गया? अरे भैया, दादा, रीजू दादा, कौन से इशू पे सेडिशन किस पे लगा रहे हो? कौन से इशू पे लगा रहे हो सेडिशन? किसको? बता तो दो. मुझ पर, टाइम्स नाउ पर.
नाविका जी, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ.
Don't forget she went to Bachelor Court to break the protocol herself.
What you arrest 10 seconds, because...
Did you arrest Mamta Didi? Did you arrest the law minister?
1 minute.
That's the problem. That's the problem. I want to be democracy in this country, and we are not going to live by it. That's the problem.
Please, I was the one who asked the questions. I should be allowed to rebut the rebuttal. Please, it will only take 10 seconds.
Please,
I beg you.
All right. Dr. Anand Ranganathan. Rebut the rebuttal, Dr. Anand Ranganathan.
Yes, very quickly. Rijuda, you're a scientist. You're from my fraternity. I love and respect you. But number one, when you say 4 people have been arrested, have you seen the video? There were thousands. So by your reckoning, all those thousands should also be arrested. Why have they not? And number 2, can you please explain why 4 days ago, Bengal vaccinated only 4,500 people? It has vaccinated now 10 lakhs. Can you please explain that?
Only focusing on second doses right now to complete the circle, and then we will go back to the first dose. Number 1, and 4 people only arrested because they were the leaders who brought these so-called huge numbers of mobs. That is why the 4 head people are arrested. And if you talk about
Caught you there, Riju Datta. Caught you there. You are saying you are concentrating on the second dose and not on the first dose. So I want to ask you that 10 लाख जो पड़े हैं सेकेंड डोज में यूज कर लो ना भैया. आपने रखे क्यों हैं? बढ़ाना है वैक्सीनेशन तो बढ़ा दो ना. when you ask भैया कोविड पे सवाल है, कोविड पे आपका जवाब मांगा है, कोविड के जवाब में आप फेल हो गए हैं. भैया आप सारी दुनिया को बोलते हैं कि कोविड की प्रॉब्लम नहीं सॉल्व कर रहे हो. आप सॉल्व करो ना. आपने तो अपना डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर दिया. पूरा आपका लेजर जो है, कितना डेबिट कितना क्रेडिट. अरे भाई जितना है उतना तो लगाओ, 10 लाख है आपके पास तिजोरी में, तिजोरी से निकालो, लोगों को लगाओ जैब, और उसके बाद पूछो सवाल फेडरलिज्म के। सब
आप 10 सेकंड मैं बोल लूं, फिर तहसील के पास आप चली जाना।
I also want to respond, Navika.
10 सेकंड हम लोग सेकंड डोज में फ्रॉम द पीपल, सफाई वाला, hawkers, rickshaw wala, and now we are going to vaccinate the central government employees of railways, airports and banks who are in direct contact with the public. That is what our plan is. So हमारे
how is that an answer to my question?
well, 1 minute, Riju Datta, your priority list is not what we are asking. What we are asking is आपने लगाए कितने और कितने पड़े हुए हैं. But let me get in Tehseen Poonawalla. Tehseen Poonawalla, I come to one basic moot point, and the moot point is everything beautifully comfortable in India? No. Have people made mistakes, whether at the center or at the states? Definitely yes. Is this the time now to weigh कि किसने ज़्यादा गलती की है? Whether it was the center, whether it was the state? Because ultimately, who suffers at the end of this? It will be Indians, whether they are in Bengal, whether they are in Himachal, whether they are in Uttar Pradesh or Madhya Pradesh. The fact is, Indians will suffer. So isn't this the time to actually work, look for solutions? And it is in this spirit that the Prime Minister was speaking. And on this channel, we have asked several questions of the central government. We have asked those questions. Where these problems were occurring, we have asked those questions. So nobody is giving a certificate to anybody for handling of the COVID situation, especially in the second wave. Having said that, I want to ask you, is this the time for cooperation, just like you are doing on social media, or is this the time for finger pointing? I'm just asking this basic question.
You're absolutely, ma'am. Kudos to you and your team. Times now has been relentless, and it has attacked and questioned everybody in authority, and rightly so. That's how it should be. But what is required at this stage is not just the failure that the Honorable Prime Minister and central government had in the past, but to hold accountability and to fulfill their responsibilities. Now, 2 examples. PPE kits have to come. You're charging customs on that. Liposomas right now has to be sent from America to India. Your customs is not allowing it in India. This is not Mamta, Uddhav Thackeray or Shivraj Singh Chauhan's subject. This is the Honorable Prime Minister's subject.
Mr. Tehseen Poonawalla, when is the last time Mr. Rahul Gandhi tweeted about these specifics? When is the last time a chief minister of a Congress-ruled state stood there in the meetings and asked these questions? When is the last time specifics were asked? And then the attack is on the Prime Minister that he is destroying federalism and he is a dictator. I want to ask you, a man who heads the country and is speaking to DMs in states at the district level to try and improve the response time, to try and encourage them to take innovative steps to deal with the COVID crisis. He is the dictator, not the people who criticize him on a daily basis. Well, I don't know. I don't know where our sense of perspective is, where our sense of proportion is. I just leave that to the viewers today to judge. Yes, mistakes have been made. Mistakes have been made by governments. Mistakes have been made by us, the common people, because we also let our guard down despite reading in many places across the world that the second wave had attacked many countries. We let our guard down. The literate people in cities who find fault with everybody, we let our guard down. So did the central government, so did every single state government. But at the end of the day, should we be sitting together and finding fault because we belong to a certain political party? Or should we be sitting there together because at the end of the day, we are all Indians. And as Indians, we need to find solutions.